We got forced off the roof due to a little bit of fine rain or mist rain, like a misty rain, and so the roof is wet now. We cannot do anything more. But I want to show you something that if you have a metal roof, sometimes where a leak will show up is on the walls of the commercial roof. Now I'm going to show you something because it's raining now. I have the opportunity to show you what I mean, and this is, I'm going to show you the stain. See a dark stain up on the wall there? See the dark stain there? Okay, that dark stain is due to water coming behind the gutter. Okay, let's go up there. I'm going to show you. So, right here, where the water comes and it drips like this. See here? See the water drop dripping there? No, señor. Momento. Okay. See how the water drop? It can flow back into the wall there if that's not sealed properly, or you can see that, right? Look at this. You can see there. See how green it is there? It's not raining a lot right now, but let me explain to you. They step on this area and this roof dents in, forming like forcing the water to follow the contour of the roof underneath backwards into the building. So my solution to this is just to take care of it, just bend this down slightly like this. With a hammer. See this? I made a lip slightly down, just like that. Just like that. And that will solve a lot of issues for you. You don't want to break this corner, but I bent this down slightly, and now you can see the water actually not even flowing backwards. It's just on the lip there. See that? Very, very, very neat. But you can see there it wants to flow back. Okay, where is it? So this is now what I like. So I do this with all my metal roofs. I bend it slightly down, and that solves up a lot of issues with roofs, metal roofs like this, the edging. You see how this one is slightly up here? So I need to bend this down, because if there's a big rainstorm, if a big rainstorm comes in, it will flow back into the building. And that's what I do, just like that. You get the idea. So now, this is a tip. That tip was worth a lot of money to you. If you don't understand, if you see how much you can save by just doing that, you will be amazed how many leaks you solve just doing that. Now, because of that, can you please subscribe? I will appreciate that, because I'm the flat roof doctor. I know a thing or two because I've seen a thing or two. Blah, blah, blah.